What's up, y'all? JP the install guy here. Hope everybody's having a good day. I got another how-to for you. Today we have a 2010 Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your own double din touchscreen. If this is the type of thing that you like, or if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That is what we do on the channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this whole piece definitely has to come out, and you really want to be careful. Let's try our panel removal tool and see if we can't get inside this. See, this is just a little too thick. We need something that's going to be a little bit thinner. We just need to be very, very careful. Yeah, start right there. So we can't just poke that up just a little bit. Poke it up from this side. And then with that, let me see if I can take my panel removal tool and get in up under here. There we go. You can see it's actually lifting the whole thing up. See, that's what we want. So start over here in this corner, and then we get our panel removal. Come up here. Same thing to the other side. Has more of that off, a little bit more looser. All right, now let's get our panel remover. Come up here to the top, because there's probably a clip. Yeah, boom. Put that whole thing right there, and then now, all right. So it looks like somebody tried to take this radio out before, because we're missing one. But either way, you will have 4 Phillips. I only have 3, but it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and take these out. Now that we have those screws out, we can go ahead and take out the radio, unplug all the harnesses in the back. All right, y'all, so we see we got that old ugly radio out. Now, one thing that I want you to know is that if you look on the back of this, the antenna is actually built in on the inside, and it is pretty long, and then it has this connector right here. So that connector literally goes behind the radio. It goes all the way down back here, and see if I can find that. There it is right there. I'm gonna have to put an arrow in it or something, but here is the antenna. So not only are you going to have to get an antenna adapter, but you're also going to need an antenna extension. Don't worry about it. I have all those links in the description for y'all, so y'all know which ones to buy. Now let's go ahead and get over here to the dash. Get over here to our bench so we can get that dash kit prep. All right, y'all, so right here we got our Sony radio, we have our dash kit, and we also have the pieces that go to the dash kit. Putting this together is pretty simple. They have these little notches up here at the top and the bottom, and what you want to do is match those notches up. So the short one for this right side is going to be on the top, and the long one's going to be on the bottom. So we're going to grab this one. It has a DDXR. R stands for right. This one has an L, which stands for the left. So just want to put these in here like this. All right, so there you have it. I've already done the other side, so now what we want to do is take our radio. I usually like sit it up like this or whatever, but you just want to slide this over the radio. Maybe put it down, try it like that. All right, then we want to take the screws that came with the radio, and we want to put 2 on each side. There we have it, guys. This is what it looks like when it's in. 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right. Got that thing secured. Now let's go ahead and get it wired up and get back inside the car. All right, y'all, so we are back inside the car. We have everything wired up. Now, if it's your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, I have a lot of these uninstall and reinstall type videos, and it takes too much time to go over the wiring every single time. So to save time, I actually made one video showing you guys how to wire up a radio. I go over connections and all that type of stuff. That link is in the description, card over here somewhere in the corner, so you can guys see that. So for the people who know how to wire up a radio, you get what you need on how to at least just take this out. For the people who don't know how to wire up a radio, you get a secondary source. And yes, every car is different, but as long as you know the aftermarket wire colors and understand those, then you'll be good to go. I also have a big how-to playlist that shows you how to do steering wheel controls, backup cameras, all that type of stuff. Please check that out. Other than that, let's get this thing pushed back in so you can see what it looks like.
Not only do you get crystal clear streaming
Alright guys, that's what it looks
audio,
like when it's all said and done. Of
course,
course, we got the steering wheel controls working, turning that thing down. If you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. The product links are in the description. JP the Install Guy, the website is coming soon, so I can give you guys more value. Other than that, man, you guys have a blessed day. I'll catch y'all later in the next car. Peace.